Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your privacy settings on Twitter. So I'm currently at my laptop, so this is how to do it on a PC or laptop. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is come across to twitter.com. So we're just going to go ahead and open up a new browser and then come to twitter.com. And then what we want to do, if you're not already, is just sign into your account. And then what you need to do is, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you just want to come down and click onto More. And then you want to click onto Settings and Privacy. So from here, this is going to take you to your settings page. And if you look at the third option down, you've got privacy and safety. If you go ahead and give that a click, there's actually a number of different things you can do in here to change your privacy settings. So for example, you can do things like involving your audience and tagging, which allows what information you allow other people on Twitter to see. So for example, if I clicked onto that, I can do things like set options for photo tagging, so I can choose that anyone can tag you or only people I can follow can tag me. And there's a number of other things I can do. I can just turn this off completely if I want to as well, to stop people tagging me. But there's other things you can do. If I come back, I can go to your tweets, and again there's a number of things you can do. So mark media you tweets having material that may be sensitive. So basically what's going to happen is if you have that ticked and you make a tweet, it's going to be marked as sensitive content, and that's going to be for people who don't want to see sensitive content. So that's another thing you can do. And you've got a ton of other things you can do. You can go into your direct messages, you can manage who can message you directly. Also, you can manage account words and notifications that you've muted or blocked. So certain words you can actually input and block those words from coming up. So there's actually a ton of different things you can do. So if you come to this option and just have a look through, and you can have a look and go through all these different things where you can change your privacy. You've also got data sharing and off Twitter activity, which is more to do with like how Twitter uses your data and your online activity outside of Twitter. So like things to do with like ads that they show you and location, things like that. But that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.